In this video, I'm going to show you how you can't install TikTok Lite app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are trying to install this app but you are unsuccessful, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you need to go back to your Google Play Store app and open it. First, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you try to install the app. However, if you are already logged in but unable, then tap on your profile icon on top here and go to settings. From settings, look for network preferences option, and under it, go to app download preference. Here we have three options. Choose the first option over any network. This will ensure you can download and install apps via the current network you are connected to. Tap on OK to save the changes and try to install your app. So at this point, everything should be okay. However, if you are still unable, then the problem might be with Google Play Store. For that, we need to troubleshoot this Google Play Store app, and you can do so by just long pressing on your app to access Play Store app info page. You can see app info is here. If you are missing this, you should have the name of the app here or even a settings gear around here. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. First here, go to force stop and then OK to stop any activities, any background activities that Google Play Store might be running in the background. Then go to clear data down here and choose clear cache, and finally OK. At this point, you will need to restart your smartphone and then open Google Play Store. And finally, I'll tap on search icon here to activate search and search for my app. So I'll search for TikTok Lite and then let me run the search and try to install our app. So if I go to install, let me see if the problem has been fixed. And look at that. Now I'm able to install TikTok Lite app. However, if you're still facing a challenge at this point, you might need to free up space on your smartphone to create more space for this app to be downloaded and installed. By following any of this method, now you should be able to have your TikTok Lite app installed on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.